Y'all, welcome to the channel. It's Mamie. I am on another adventure. This time we are going with Caesars Rewards Air Program, and we are headed to Atlantic City with Sun Country. There's the plane, y'all. Check it out. We're getting ready to get it on and take on off. We're in Atlantic City, y'all. We are actually going through the airport, getting ready to catch our shuttle over to Tropicana, y'all. I'll show you where we're at. Okay, all right, here we go. We got the shuttle buses out here for it. See what we're doing.
Tropicana is the first bus. Paris is the second bus.
Okay.
Caesars is right here.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
June 18th at 1:20. All right? For your bags that the day of departure, please leave it by the door. That way the bellman can crack the door and he'll find your bag. All right? For today, give your bellman about 3 hours to get your luggage upstairs to your rooms. Anything after that, you can give me a call. My name is Ernest. Okay? You're welcome. Inside of the bus terminal, you're going to find Kathy. She has your keys to your rooms and your welcome letters. All right? Everyone have a great time. Good luck to you. Hit the jackpot. And when you do hit the jackpot, just don't forget about me. I'm Ernest.
All right, we got it, Ernest.
All right, folks. Great time. Good luck.
All right. Enjoy your stay. Take your time. You're welcome. You're welcome. Take your time. Watch your step. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Hi. All right. Okay. Tower elevators. Oh, yeah. All right, we are in room 3015, 30th floor. Coming on in. I'll do a room tour for you here. There we go. Come in. Bathroom. Pretty basic. Here we go. Here's the room view. Walk in, and you got a closet. Mirrors on it. That's pretty nice. See the full with the mirrors. I like that. Carpet's nice and clean. Got nice double mirrors there. You come in and you can see. Nice king size bed, y'all. Plenty of room in this suite. Plenty of room. right, unfortunately, we don't have a good view because we're looking at the parking lot, but that's okay. Somebody got to look at it, okay? Then we have some dressers, some drawers here to put your stuff in. There's the TV there. Probably looks about a 40-inch. You can see this room that we're in over here at this side is not the new rooms, but it's still nice. It's very clean. And we have a little refrigerator down there. You see that? We have something to make our coffee and another mirror there. But, you know, hey, we got a little table set over here, which I've already threw some of my stuff down, and also have the ice pail ready for us. So, but it's clean. It is clean and it's nice, so I like it. Thumbs up, 2. We're just gonna give Caesar's Reward a thumbs up, y'all. Trying to get y'all some light. It's a little dark. Thumbs up. Woo-hoo! Thank you. Room tour. All right, and we'll go explore the casino and the rest of the hotel. More to come.